Good afternoon, everybody. This is Parrot. Alright, this is Freedom the Parrot. He is holding the little ball he got from Oviedo Grove Apartments for Resident Appreciation Week. So Freedom's doing a little bit of soccer. Freedom, are you playing soccer? Are you excited? That's hilarious. He loves the sound of this. And this is, I would say, well, two things. He loves the echo effect on top of the cage, but I call this his metal soccer field. Freedom, you're at the top of your cage. Are you moving? Oh my goodness. He's a good sport. Good boy. You love it. Alright guys. You've seen it here. Freedom is entertaining himself. Okay, Freedom, signing off live with our tiny soccer player. Hey, Freedom. Oh, there it goes. You're going to have to go find it. All right, everybody. He's like, where the heck is it? Okay, have a great day.